how to buy a domain and hosting from Hostinger. So as you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can actually buy domain and hosting from Hostinger in today's Hostinger tutorial video. So without further ado, let's begin today's video. So if you do want to actually get the best discounts and best deals for Hostinger, I will provide a link down below in the video description so you can actually get access to the best deal for Hostinger regardless when you're watching this video. So if you do want to get the best deal, links will be down below. So at the time of recording this video, you can actually get a free domain name, as you can see. So get a free domain with Hostinger. So I don't know how long this deal was going to last for. So this deal, could last for, a certain period of time. I'm not quite sure. So if you do want to take advantage of this, free domain offer while it's still available, feel free to click the top link down below to see if it's available for you whenever you're watching this video. So what we can do right now is click on start now, so we can actually begin today's video on how you can get a domain and hosting. So basically how you can buy a domain name and hosting from Hostinger. So what we can do is go ahead and click our plans. So at the time of recording this video, you do get a free domain name if you go with the premium shared hosting plan or the business shared hosting plan. Okay, so you don't actually get this with a single shared hosting plan, so you normally just have to pay for it separately. But if you do want to get a free domain, so you can go with the most popular plan right here, is what they're saying on the Hostinger website, or the business shared hosting plan. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and go with the premium shared hosting plan right here. Okay, and what we can do, as you can see on screen, we can go ahead and choose a plan right here for Hostinger. So this is how you basically buy a domain name and buy hosting from Hostinger. Okay, so you can go ahead and choose a given plan. So something to consider as well if you want to maximize your savings and to get a bigger discount is that, as you can see right here for your information, by choosing the 48-month plan, you could save $369.60. So that's going to be basically this plan right here. And then obviously if you go right here to the 48 months plan, you end up basically paying the least amount, every single month. Obviously you're paying 48 months in advance, but you end up basically paying a lot less during the 48 month period in comparison to paying $10.29 every month. So basically, as you can see right here, you save $369.60, which makes it a pretty good deal. Okay, so what you want to do after that is create your account. So once you choose your given plan, put in your email address, or you can sign up with Google or Facebook or all that type of stuff right here. And then you can go ahead and select the payment that you want to pay via, so your payment methods. So you can pay via credit card, obviously, that's pretty standard stuff. You can pay via PayPal, which I do appreciate, and you can even pay via cryptocurrency. I really do like that as well, as cryptocurrency is becoming a lot more popular. So you can go ahead and pay via crypto if that's what you want to do. Okay, you can also pay via Google Pay, Alipay, so you have multiple different options to go ahead and basically buy a domain name and a hosting from Hostinger. And as you can see right here, premium shared hosting 48 months plan is normally going to be $493.92 at the time of recording this video, and you get a discount of 74% off, where you basically get a free $369.60 savings right here, which is a pretty good deal. And as you can see right here, because we've obviously chosen the premium shared hosting plan right here, we get basically a free setup, so monthly plans come with a $4.99 one-time fee. Subscribing to a longer term plan will remove the setup fee and save you more money in the long term. So that's something to keep in mind. You also get Cloudflare Protection for free. So Cloudflare will be enabled for free on your website, security and DDoS protection with speed benefits of a content delivery network, aka CDN, speed and uptime guaranteed. So that's pretty cool. And obviously you're searching for this video so you can learn how you can buy a domain name. Well, in this case, for the time recording this video anyway, you can get a free domain name by buying hosting as well with Hostinger. So basically you get a free domain, so you'll be able to set up your domain in your control panel, and after the first year your domain name will obviously renew at the regular rate, but you pretty much get a free domain name for the first year, which is pretty cool. So that's excellent news, because instead of actually paying or buying a domain name, you get it for free for the first year, which is excellent, right? So if you are looking to go ahead and get that set up, you can get that set up after you obviously make your purchase, and you can obviously get that set up in your control panel. So you'll be able to set up your domain in your control panel, which is excellent news. And then you can obviously get free SSL as well, which is pretty cool. So once you go ahead and do that, you can just obviously submit your secure payment. You have a 30-day money back guarantee as well, which is excellent. So there's that as well. And yeah, that's basically it for today's tutorial. Just wanted to give you a bit of a rundown of how it all works and make sure, you know, it's all, you know, easy for you to get set up. So if you do want to get advantage of this, take advantage of this deal, then feel free to click the top link down below in the video description, and you'll be able to get, you know, the free domain at the time of recording this video anyway, and, you know, other special discounts for hosting us. So that's basically, you know, my hosting tutorial and how to buy a domain and hosting from Hostinger. Thanks for watching today's video, and cheers.